Hello. My name is Tehzeeb and welcome back to my channel. As you know, 2026 is coming, so the resolution and rebranding days are on, baby. तो हम क्यों पीछे हटे, हम भी करेंगे. 2026 is gonna be my best year. अबे 26 में तो दुनिया खत्म है. So I've been seeing rebranding or reset your new year videos, and I think I'm gonna try it. So this is my journal, and I think I'm gonna write my 2025 experience, like monthly experience. January I did that, February I did this like of thing, and honestly I don't remember any big achievement or big thing from January, February. I know March my board result came out, but I think I'm gonna think about it and write it. So let's do it. I'm gonna be 18 in 2026 and I'm still using this. And I have done it. I know it doesn't look so aesthetic or Pinteresty, but it is what it is. This is the best thing I wrote. I don't know. I lived. Guess what step 2 would be? It's making vision board. I've always made my vision board like digital vision board, put it on my wallpaper or something. But today, this year, I'm gonna be making a real feeling hand touching. I don't know what, eyes, naked eyes seeing vision board. I printed it. This is the first time I'm making something like this for real. I always did it like digitally, but not this year. So let's make my vision board. I think this background is more nice, but the light isn't coming, so I don't know. I don't have a good background. I'm gonna make my vision board in this. Let's check it out. I think I'm gonna stick the big ones first. I don't know. The cardboard is so little, and my photos are thousand of. I have like thousand of photos. We'll do something. I finally made my vision board. I don't know if someone made this long vision board, but I did. I actually had a problem like this took this little cardboard and I put it all here, and then I had left this much photos. So I thought that it would fit in this much, so it would be like but it wasn't also. It covered the other whole cardboard, so it's this long. Now I should stick it up this other cardboard up, but I cannot do this now. So it's okay. It was my first time. I did this. It's good. I think I was just so excited. I did it all. Oh my god, this is so good for me. I don't know if you all like it or not, but I love it. Mm. Now this little thing took me 2 hours, and This much mess. I have to clean it all. So I made my vision board. This is it. The main things are study, no, less screen time, more books, and self care. That's it. I want this year to be my like I dedicated all the 2025 to others, doing something for others and nothing for me. So I want to buy myself flowers. I want to give myself something. So like that. I want to take care of myself this year. And I advise you to do it also. Why we are running after someone else, taking care of them? What do we get by that? Take care of yourself.
खुश रहने का जितने लोग जले मरे मरने दो खुश रहो कोई कुछ बोले ना बोलने का आवाज नीचे 20 कदम पीछे
We are gonna write our goals now. Resolutions. So I did it. I wrote my goals. It's something like that. First, I wrote the goal, what I want to do, and then I wrote how to achieve it, and then I wrote for what. So let's take an example. My first goal is to glow up, and how to achieve it. I wrote exercise, skincare, take care of myself, and etc. etc. And for what? For myself, of course. So if you want, you can do it like this too. So that's it. I'll do something that everybody is doing. I saw in the video. Writing a letter to myself, my future self. So I'm gonna do that now. I hope I achieve all those goals which I put in my vision board, my diary, my journal, and this. I'll post about it. I post every goal I do. Like I wanted to go alone, watch a movie with my money. If I did that, I'll post about it. I'll post a short or a video or a community post. I don't know, something like that. But I'll post. And my one of the goal is I want to be consistent in making YouTube videos. So subscribe me, please. I'll be consistent from now on because I'm never consistent in anything. But my biggest goal of 2026 is to be consistent in anything I do. So that's it. Subscribe for more. Please subscribe for more and like this video. I hope you get inspired by me, this vision board, long vision board, and this diary thingy. So I'll see you in the next. Bye. Happy New Year.